What can you do to the scalp to encourage the hair to grow again? You can make a mix that you can put on your hair, and this mix is half a cup of coconut oil and half cup of castor oil. Castor oil is very thick oil, but castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil. So when that is put onto the scalp, it penetrates even deeper. Coconut oil is a very nourishing. It's anti-fungal oil, antibacterial oil. But what you also can put with that. So now you have got a cup of oil there. Of that cup of oil you can add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is a herb that's specific for the scalp. So you could make up this mix in a jar. And maybe once a week you massage it into the scalp. Leave it in as much as you can. Maybe you choose a Sunday when you may be going to be home all day, and at the end of the day you wash out.